Hello day traders. Today I am going to test CCI strategy with Supertrend. Okay, so first you need CCI period 14. Okay, this is the line negative 100 and 100. And then you need a Supertrend indicator. I'll give you the link down below for this indicator. So 12 and 3. Okay, and then you need ATR indicator. So if you don't have this on TradingView, you just use other ATR indicator. Okay, so you put your stop loss is 2.7 times ATR, okay, and the take profit is 2.7 times 1.6, which is 4.32 ATR. All right, so it's 1.6 to 1 risk reward. Okay, so and then you need moving average 550 exponential moving average. Okay, so it's actually the settings from Trade Pro triple Supertrend video. Okay, so I'm gonna try something new today. So I'm also going to test this with 4 ATR take profit and 2 ATR stop loss. So it's 2 to 1, and I'm gonna test this 1.6 to 1 risk reward. So we will see which one is better. Okay, so all right. So if you want to buy, basically you wait for CCI to go below negative 100, and then you go back above that. Okay, and the price has to be above 550 EMA, and the Supertrend has to be green. Okay, and then you just click. Sorry, you just click. Okay, so it's 1.6 to 1 for this demonstration. I'm gonna test this 100 times, and we'll see if this is profitable. Okay, so you buy risk 2%. Okay, got it. Okay, it's 6 January 2020. Oh, sorry, we have another buy here. All right. Okay, it goes below negative 100, and it go back up. All right, so you buy here, you just click. Okay, this is your stop loss we see here. Okay, stopped out. So I'm gonna wait next signal. Okay, sorry, we have another signal here. Okay, is it below 100? Okay, so it's 99. So we sell here. Okay, below 99, and price below moving average, and Supertrend is red. So you click 2 times. So here's your stop loss. Okay, you sell. Okay, you got stopped out. We have another sell here. Okay, it goes below below 100, and price below that, and Supertrend red. So you sell again. Okay, you got it. All right, so here's another one. Is it below 100? We'll see. Okay, 85. So we sell here. Okay, just click. Okay, we got it. Okay, we have a sell here. Okay, it goes below 100. We sell. Okay, we got it. Okay, so the trend is green, so we cannot sell here. So just skip. And let's see. Okay, I'm waiting for buy. Okay, sorry, we have a buy here. Not here. Okay, it goes below negative 100. It goes back up, and the price is above the EMA, and Supertrend is green. So we buy here. Sorry, we click. See here. 10. Okay, got stopped out. Okay, we have a signal here. Okay, it goes below negative 100. So we buy. I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, we get stopped out. Okay, sorry. So it goes below, I'm sorry, it goes above 100 and then it goes back down. So we sell here. All right. Okay, we got it. So far we're making 700 bucks. Okay, sell here. All right. Okay, stop that. Okay, does it go above 100? We hover it. Okay, no. Mm, okay, no signal. Okay, we have a signal here. Okay, it goes above 100 and below 100. So we sell here. Okay, stop that. Okay, it goes above 100 and we sell here. Okay, we got stopped out. Okay, we have a signal here, but it's weak and we don't take it. But we have somewhere here. No, we can take this. Okay, 24. Okay, we got it. Okay, so the train is green, we can't take it. All right, so we have signal here. It goes above 100 and goes back down. Yes, enter it. Okay, stopped out. So we're still in profit. A lot of losing streak. So I'm not gonna cherry pick this trade or anything. Okay, we'll see in 100 trades if this is profitable. So far we almost break even. Okay, sorry, we have just over it. 97. No. Okay. It's very difficult to see. Need to hover it. Okay. Here it goes above that, above negative 100. So we buy here. Okay. Okay. Stop that. So in trading for when you're trading for real, avoid this ranging, dead market. Okay. So, but in backtest, I take every trade. Okay. We have a sell here. Okay. Goes above 100 and below that, so we sell here. Okay. Sell. Okay. So far we're making 300 bucks, and I'm gonna test this 100 times. Okay. first, let's see how many trades we had. So 16 trade. Profit trades is 7, 9 loss trade. So I'm gonna test this 100 times. Okay, we'll see if this is profitable. Okay, so here is the result of 100 tests. Okay, so this is for 2.7 ATR stop loss. Okay, so it's Euro USD 30 minutes and 6 January 2020 until 12 October. So in 100 trades, we have 51% win rate and 49 losses. Okay, which is not bad for 1.6 to 1 risk reward. Okay, and we made $7,800. So that's 78% gain on account in 100 trades. Okay, so it's a $10,000 account. In the simulation, we risk 2%. So not bad. And we have max consecutive wins 8 and max consecutive loss 5. All right, and this is the graph. Okay, and this is for where I use 2 ATR stop loss and 4 ATR take profit. Okay, so this is 2 to 1 risk reward. So we have 45 win and 55 losses. So that's 45% win rate, and we made 8,000. Okay, so clearly this one is better. 2 to 1 is better than 1.6 to 1, and this is include spread and commission. So we have max consecutive loss 7 and max consecutive win 6. All right, so and this is the graph for 4 ATR stop, 4 ATR TP and 2 ATR stop loss. Okay, so it's actually I did another video on CCI with Ichimoku that is way better than this one. So make sure you watch that video. Okay, so Ichimoku CCI. Okay, thanks.